Hi guys, so it's another Saturday night and it's a Saturday night ShopaHAUlic haul. It's my second one, and just as I was about to film it, my Valentine tree fell down. Let me pick it up in case you didn't see it on one of my shorts. Okay guys, I tried to put it back together. It's a little bit of a hot mess right now, but I got it enough together for you to see it, but I do have to fix it, but it is part of the ShopaHAUlic haul. I got these things at the Dollar Tree. They're like little plushies, and they're Valentine ones. There's a little donut, and there's a little heart. And then let me stand up, and I'll show you the tree. That's the DIY pencil tree I made. I added that Dollar Tree icing, but again, like I said, it's a hot mess right now because it tipped over. You saw that in the beginning. So that's 4 of those things I got at the Dollar Tree. And then I got this earlier today. Oh, I had this at the bottom of the tree. I kind of put it around it over here. Didn't, so you couldn't see like the blue part. But again, I gotta fix that. And I can't believe I paid $10 for that Dollhouse, guys. Can you believe that? And then look at the sides. I do have to tighten it up a little bit, but I cannot believe, like I said, and this thing here, there's like a little thing over it. It's like a little awning. And one of the reasons I picked this one, it's right, you know, it's written on, I gotta fix it, but one of the reasons I picked this is because it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. I want to make sure I was right. It has 7 rooms in it, and I have 7 grandkids, so each kid can get to decorate a room. And then if I have more grandkids, we can always kind of like separate, you know, the rooms up. But can you believe that was only $10? It's huge. And then I got this pretty good sized crate because I need it for something. I have like a hutch and I want to put like a top to it. So this is actually a good size for what I want to do. And this was for 20% off of that price. As you can see that. I mean, it's not that big of a deal maybe to somebody, but to me, because I like to DIY, it is kind of like a big deal to me. And it's a really good solid piece of wood. Okay, I'm just going to show you a couple things that I got at the Dollar Tree today. So I got this wooden beaded heart. And then I got these wood DIY stickers. They're wood, but they have little stickers on the back because I have something in mind for that. And then I showed a short earlier. There are 2 different ones of these kissing boots at Dollar Tree. One is pink, and this one I thought stood out a little bit better, so I got this one because it's red and white. I think I like the bolder colors better. And they did have Easter stuff there over by the plant section. So I grabbed these. How adorable are those bunnies, right? And then guys, last but not least, I bought this sweater. The name on it is Pink Rose. It's long. It comes like about down to my knees. And it's kind of like got those sleeves like that. It doesn't have any buttons on it. It's just kind of like flowy. And I like the color gray. And I did need something like this because I have to go somewhere tomorrow, so I thought this would be perfect for it, and I did get it for 20% off. So thanks guys for coming along on my second Saturday night ShopaHAUlic haul, and I will see you Wednesday when I do my Whatever Wednesday. Thanks a lot guys. Bye now.